Hey guys, Kyle Burkford, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Just got this 2021 G23 Super Air in. This has got the new hull and some of the new features as well. This is in the Masters Blue Metal Flake and Titanium Gray. On the inside, we have the Frost Gray interior with the Master Blue accents. We have the full automatic tower. On the interior, we also have the upgraded helm, upgraded ski mirror. This engine is the PCM 6.2 liter, 450 horsepower. It is equipped with the Nautique steering assist, Nautique surf system. We got these awesome transom seats in the back with a great walkthrough into the cockpit. The classic colorway with the gray and blue. This is an amazing boat, throws a great surf wake, amazing wakeboard wake. If you'd like to come and check this boat out or get behind it and ride, come find me, Kyle Burkford, at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Have a great day.